Let's take a moment to restore our bodies to a calm place. The first exercise is the wave. Feel your heart rate slowing down and your mind starting to focus while all the other distractions fade away. Ready? Let's restore. Now that our bodies are in a just right place, let's activate our senses for writing and drawing. The next exercise is finger push-ups. We need to have good arches in our hands so that we can control our pencils when we're writing and not get too tired. Ready? Let's activate. Great job! Let's quickly regroup with a breathing exercise to de-stress and refocus. The last exercise is lion breath. Try to feel your stomach expand and then release all the air and tension in your body so you can feel calm and relaxed. Let's regroup. Thanks for watching this body-activated learning video. Keep using this and other exercise combinations to improve every child's ability to attend and engage for learning so that we can help every child make sensational achievements.